Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step-by-step process how you can easily clear a clipboard on Windows 11. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is, when this video will be helpful, write down below in the comments that this video helped you for other people when they come. So you want to go to the bottom to start and right click on it, and then go click settings. Right here, when you're going to be, you want to go be in system and find clipboard right on the bottom. And when you're right here, what you want to do is pretty simple. You're gonna see the clear clipboard data, and I don't have any clipboard data right now, but all you have to do is like click clear here, and that's it, right? So thank you very much. Again, write down below in the comments if this video was helpful, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.